Okay, thanks. I'm going to try to be safe.
Last time. So I'm here about the people that show the can't see it. See the tree them a drop already and the storm not even reaches. South Manchester. All of the tree them don't go so a drop already, but the camera kind of blurry. Got through my door in the rain. And you know, so I not cover up on the camera and things like that, so the camera get blurry, you see me? But I know you can hear the breeze. See all the tree them a drop already. And the storm not even reach. Much tree a drop. See all the coconut tree bend there. The rain a fall hard and the breeze a blow hard. So I beg you, please, just be safe. Yeah man, I be careful man. My house is right here, so if anything I can run. No, I can't, if I wipe the camera right, I can show the same me because through me then at the rain with the phone. So the camera get blurry. The lens get blurry. So that's why you can't see nothing like that. But out the door, that's why you can hear the breeze. You see me? Well, South Manchester, Newport area, South Manchester.
Not even reach Jamaica yet. Well, that's God, may I pray for me and the people and everybody in Jamaica. Please and God. So nobody in a truck, brother.
Reach us here, but on the purpose of one
I think we'll do that Westmoreland. I reach it, you know. I look for that go on tree, drop how much thing drop already. They said just make landfall. Alright, thanks for that one. That's very important. Thank you for that.
I can't believe that, cause right now these breezes are crazy. Big up everybody saying be safe. Big up everybody sending prayers. Big up everybody sharing the live. Big up everybody sharing gifts. Big up everybody commenting. I am in Hanover, in the parish of Hanover, not far from Negril, northwest side of the island.
Guys, I'm making it right here. Is the thing? Thank you guys very much. Thank you for the rose. Beauty box, I will do. Somewhere there.
Might be the pumpkins and the neighbors on the back.
Thanks, Kim. 20 miles out. Okay.
Too much fun. Come for now. We need to go to school. Yeah.
brother wants to see his house.
That is very cool.
So it's at Black River now, the eye. Yes, it is. This is a Category 5 hurricane. This is in Belmont, Dainty, Bluefields, the Bluefields area. They say it's 20 miles out, and it's coming west of Black River. It's on our end.
No reason I'm gonna open today.
The hope say they good too, you know. See Mr. Lemmy house up there so Terati, more say they good. Soon call them up still, soon come up alive and link up everybody. And cause water they not for them yard, you know. Four pass, me grow 4 pass to Clarendon Garden to be exact. Live at Clarendon Garden for years. I'll go 4 pass all age where am I? I'm in 12 gates. Bridget to send some KFC come now. Yeah man. It's pure water. But honestly, I rather the water than rain right now. We can swim through the water. Yeah, than rain, than breeze. Yeah, water than breeze. Can swim through